Hello guys, I'm on a new account. I forgot what my account is. I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Let's go escape from that bad guy. That I call it Barry. What's this on my... Wow! Yeah! Yeah. She kinda look like Yo. Wow, wrench. Let's get the wrench. Oh my god. No. Let's go escape. Let's go. What's this? Berry. I cannot outsmart Berry. He's a Mr. Strongy. Let's go. Yes. You cannot catch me. Pat guide bang dong dong.
Magpaalam ka na kay Banang.
Wait. Let's go. Yo. Walk. What's that? I didn't want an ad. What? Wow. Bye-bye. We have a shovel. What do we need the shovel? Let me get...
Bakit?
Wait.
Ano ba, nagre-record ka?
Apo. Pa-record muna ako. Pa-record. At ako yung mag-YouTube channel.
Vlogger?
Ay, nakapula ito. Hindi na nga tatag.
Screen ano pala?
Let's go. Ay, no.
Naiiwan daw. Sabi na naiiwan.
Delete.
Malungkot sa ano ba? Naaway mo kasi palagi si ate.
Naku po.
Kaya...
Wala siyang kaaway ngayon. Ayaw si Bebe umiyak.
That was scary.
Hindi pa, tigyan mo.
Tuwan-tuwa si Bebe.
Kailan ka uwi?
Doon ka mag-aaral, kaklase mo.
Buka mag-aaral? ₱10 tayo. Wag na.
Naku po, daming bola.
Huwag mo nang... Gusto niya.
Naglagay mo kayo.
Fire.
Lagay mo sa bag mo.
Lagyan mo sa bag mo para pag may bibili ka doon.
Ay, mahawakan mo muna sa tulong.
Let's go. We are climb. It's just metal, but it's wood. You fat like the other guy. Your neck is not working.
Pagyan naman yan, babe.
Oh!
Gusto ko kailang alis saka maglalaro.
Naku po. You stink at pot. Ay. Ay.
Let's go. Sabi ka na kay nanay.
Bye-bye.
Kay nanay, ikaw din.
Bye-bye.
Ano gagawin natin doon? mo pa yan.
It's not the end of the video. You're still 4 minutes in the video.
So, ano, halo-halo.
Don't press the ticket. I learned my lesson. Just press this.
Hindi ka na maglo-load doon, may wifi doon.
Cafeteria security training. Hindi nga soda. Patatak! Yo! Masakbo ka lang. What? Magmatay ka lang. What? How di... Oh, just turn off. Masakbo ka lang. Ayun. Yo! 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 Oh! Boom. 6 minutes into the video, I need to... Wow! Wow! Ah!
Wala nang ate eh. Ito siya na?
Yeah. How do we finish this? It's hard. Ay, no.
Bye-bye! Ano ba yun? Makainit.
I cannot show. I cannot see because I'm outside. Wait, let me drive. Wait a second.
Ha?
The sound is so funny. I cannot see because of sun. Cannot. Wala akong ito.
Bye! Sama ka din!
You don't see. I haven't posted the channel. This is the biggest comeback of Dave. Dave channel. The biggest comeback of Dave channel. I can say. So, place another. Wait a sec. Don't disturb my driving. Next I'm playing Roblox. I'm going back home because I'm on a cousin's home. I'm going back home. I cannot see. I cannot see. I will nosebleed. I'm from the Philippines. The sunlight. Wait a sec. Here the arrows. I can barely see it because of the sun. I can barely see it because
Pag
of...
may jeep kami ay hindi, Plaridel lang din ano. I can barely... Di ba kasi bypass na? Pang ba?
Oh, diretso na yun.
9 minutes on this
Kaya nga
video.
eh. Kaya
I
nakaraan
think it
kami
10 minutes
nag-jeep
or
kami
even...
kasi puro bypass ang nagdadaan.
Wait. Mama. Hindi na nga, pwede ka sumabay, pwede ka magsalita. At ako'y mag-channel. Ay! I don't know how to face cam. Ay! Yeah, I think I barely see it. I think it's more easier. The sunrise is healthy. I cannot see things. Here. Oh. 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 I thought it's there. I cannot here. I forgot what there is. They down level already. We didn't get the first one, but we already get the second one. Let's climb in the sky. I know you're in the rock. Why am I so slow? Oh, wait a sec. Wait. Wait, where's the other one? There's a ladder down. Yes. I can barely see because of the sunrise on the peaks. I know you recognize me. And am I still alive? Why you? Close the valve. Tagalog muna ako guys, para ako yung manunuklit. It's so loud. I can if you hear this, I think I cannot see because of the sunlight. I'm done.